Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to know if someone is in another call in the Facebook Messenger app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the conversation with the person you want to check. Simply scroll through your chats and tap on the conversation thread with that specific contact. This will open up your message history with them and give you access to the calling features. Next, look at the top of the screen where you'll see the calling options. You'll notice two icons there, the audio call icon and the video call icon. Go ahead and tap on either one of these icons. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as both will give you the same information about their current call status. These icons are located right next to each other in the upper section of the conversation screen. Once you tap on either the audio or video call icon, the app will attempt to connect the call. However, if the person is already on another call, you'll see a notification or message indicating that you can't contact them at this moment because they're currently in another call. This is the key indicator that tells you they're busy on a different call. The app automatically detects their call status and prevents you from interrupting them, which is a helpful feature to avoid awkward interruptions. And that's it. You now know how to check if someone is busy on another call in Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.